Can't point it. Look with your eyes. Don't be afraid, just fire. Come on. There you is. Squeeze it hard. Careful, don't play around. Stay there. You're playing with a serious shit right now. There you go, right in the center. Nice.
I was born and raised in Rio. My mom.
Come on, baby. You got it.
He taught me how to
Girl?
Yeah.
We got one more.
Stop. Watch it.
Let's pull up. Oh, my dad's side. My dad.
Yeah! She killed him. Yeah, baby.
I'm gonna do the 50 count.
You got one more?
You're gonna have to change your grip because you keep pushing the same. Get a couple fingers underneath.
No, well, my mom.
Oh, she's got one more round?
My mom.
She keeps on jamming it because she's not holding it steady enough. That's why, right?
My dad's side.
No, she's pushing in the magazine.
Oh.
Wow.
I got one more?
One more.
This shake is from the south, right next to Porto.
There you go. Wow.
Right in the balls.
Holy shit. No, the balls are further down, bro. What are you talking about? You did great, baby. How many you got? 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 5. Holy shit. You kicked ass, girl. 6 you got?
Did you see your card?
Yeah, sure. Nice. There you go. That's fantastic, baby. Bravo.